Hey guys, it's me, I'm back on A73, and today I've got a simple video on this mask right here. It's a ghost mask from Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, so you can add some design down there, but in this version I've got a pretty simple one with a muffler wrapped around, or a scarf, with this skeleton. So I'll be teaching you how to make this thing, a skeleton right here, and there's a beanie at the top, just to top things off. So yeah, let's start with the video. Like if you like this thing, and watch till the end if you want to finish this entire mask by yourself. Yeah, so let's proceed with the tutorial. Hey guys, it's me, I'm back on A73, and today I'll be doing another papercraft video after a really long time. So it's been a while, about a month since I last posted that as well, because I started this series where I did some drawings, but it didn't turn out great. I already had 19 videos recorded, but it seemed like it wasn't getting much recognition or like preference, because my channel is craft based, not really art. So I decided to go back to what I usually do and make paper masks, action figures, and weapons. So today the first thing I'll be doing is making a ghost mask from COD, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. So this is my favorite ghost mask design. Like, it's got half skeleton, so we'll be taking the help of just an ordinary piece of cartridge paper, because this suits the skeleton-esque color instead of a regular white A4, because this is too bright for me. Also, at the same time, I'll be using a black muffler and a sort of like a beanie for the aesthetic of it, but the actual mask I'll be making it myself. So we're going to start with our simple little design. So apparently it's got like sort of let's use it this way. So if I take the measurement of my head, it should be this big. So considering that, let's draw a simple skeleton. Like this. You need it to be bigger. Right, now the next step would be to get this part cut out. Alright, so we're going to fold it in half like such, and then start cutting. Now this is basically the entire thing, almost finished. So next up would be to add some designs and details, which we'll do on this brand new side. Now the color scheme is pretty simple. You don't need to, like, it's all black and white, so I don't think I'll need to use my markers. So let's just do this, like a little bit of 3D aesthetic using my pencil. Yeah, pretty much done. Alright, now that's roughed up. Okay, so the next step would be to close these cut off end, because that was just a part of the process that needs to be repaired. Okay, so that's renormalized. Now next up would be to do this fold right above the nose to make it look 3D, if you know what I mean. And so let's take a bit of paper and close it off on the other side. like this. So so that makes it look like protruding outwards, which is a really cool detail to add. And then we have to do this kind of fold right there for the cheekbone to have its proportions right. Actually, let's do this. And just create these folds here, and then we'll actually make the fold right over here, like that. So you just fold these two pieces together, and that immediately makes it look 3D right there as well. And then sort of do this, like fold it in a curved way to give it that side cheek plane of the face. And there's the another plane of the head right there. Like, we're going to need to make a lot of these kinds of sharp folds. That makes it look super menacing and pretty cool. And the other side as well. And a little bit above the eyes, why not? Like that, right? So that's how you basically do it. Now this is pretty weak at the moment, because a small crunch and it will crumble apart, so take care of it nicely. Other than these, I don't think there is much to add, so let's just finish it up with some final detailings. And full trick. So you just need a piece of cloth like this, wrap it around your face, put this on top of it, and then you've got a beanie which you can put above that to top it all off, and there you go, you've got a pretty cool looking mask. So while I'm at it, let's just give them some sharp details. Like that. And that's how you make a proper Call of Duty mask. So I'm gonna wear this on for the thumbnail, but I don't think I'll be wearing it on camera just yet. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you want, you can add some details for the teeth as well by making more folds like this. Yeah, that looks good. Do that. And that's about it. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.